Should I repair or replace my HVAC system? As a general rule, if your system is under 10 years old and the repair costs less than $5,000, go ahead and repair it. But if it's older than 10 years and the repair costs more than $5,000, it's usually smarter to replace the whole system. Think of your HVAC system like an old car. When it's young, fixing a flat tire or changing the oil makes total sense because the car still has years of life left. But once that car gets old and starts breaking down every few months, spending money on repairs just doesn't make sense anymore because you're throwing money at something that's going to keep failing anyway. HVAC systems work the same way. Most systems are built to last around 15 to 20 years. And once you hit that 10-year mark, the parts inside start wearing down faster and replacement parts get harder to find. Here's something most people don't know though. Older systems use a type of refrigerant called R22, which has actually been phased out. So if your unit uses it and it breaks, finding that refrigerant is expensive and sometimes nearly impossible. That alone can make repairing an old unit a really bad financial decision. One big mistake homeowners make is only looking at the repair cost without considering how much money they're losing every month on a system that's not running efficiently anymore. So always ask a contractor about the efficiency difference too. Another common issue is people replacing only half of the system, like just the outdoor unit, which can actually cause the whole thing to work poorly together. So always ask if matching components are needed. A lot of folks also don't realize that waiting until the system completely dies means you're stuck making a rushed decision, so it's smarter to start planning a replacement before it becomes an emergency. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.